Hey, my name is Phil from legitmarketingreviews.com. In this video, I want to share with you this year's best AppSumo Black Friday deals so you can get yourself a bargain. Now, I know a lot of people have been disappointed with this year's selection, and on the other side, there's been a lot of people who have been very excited. So what I want to do is share with you my personal opinion as I've reviewed majority of them. So hopefully you will find something you're looking for. And just before we get into it, if you want to help support the channel, I've left some direct links to the products I'm talking about, as well as the product reviews that I shot. So make sure you go ahead and check those out too. You'll also be helping support the channel. So let's get into it. This is AppSumo Black Friday Deals. Okay, so here we are on the AppSumo website, and you'll notice the Black Friday page is the first one you will see. One thing to point out right away though is they have this Black Friday label put on pretty much all of the offers, even though a lot of them aren't ending when the Black Friday promotion ends. So let me show you how to find the actual Black Friday offers that are going to end. So first, come on the top left to software, come down to Black Friday, and then scroll down to status and find ending soon. Now this is going to give us a list of the actual offers that are going to disappear and these ones that you should take notice of during the sale. Now, if you want to find the best of the best, you could also come to sort by, go on recommended, and come down to number of customer ratings. Then you will see which ones have actually had the most ratings, what rating it is, and also you know that it is going to end. Now, of course, everyone's need for software is going to be slightly different, so don't purchase something you don't need. But what I'm going to do is share my thoughts on all these different deals, the ones that I would actually go for, because I've reviewed most of these tools. Now, the first one is TruConversion. I have done a product review on it, and basically what it allows you to do is create things like heat maps. You can also have recording sessions, so if someone goes on your website, you can see what they actually look at and what they click on your website. But the most exciting part for me is funnel tracking. So if you've got multiple properties on multiple domains, but you want to track the customer journey through all of them, you can actually add in conversion pixels amongst your different properties, and it's going to track user paths basically. So it's a really cool tool, especially if you are using multiple domains for your business. The next one is Rank Tracker. I have used this quite a bit in the past. Basically, you can track how all of your rankings are going. You can also choose different locations as well, which is pretty exciting to see. Now, one I absolutely love is Flowlu. I use this tool every day, and the best thing about it for me is you can actually sync in your email account. So every time you get an email, you can filter it into the platform, and what it's going to allow you to do is, let's just say you had an opportunity email where if someone fills an email, that particular email address gets notified. You can then put that into an opportunity tab. You can assign it to the right person in your team, and then you've got a full CRM in the back as well. You can also do things like invoicing and projects, and it's just super comprehensive. I highly recommend checking it out if you need a project management tool. So coming down, we also have here Acumbamail. This was extremely popular when I did my product review a little while ago. This has high sending rates and open rates, which is really nice to see. It also has an RSS feed, which you can connect to your email account. So if you are a blogger or if you are an e-commerce store, you can quickly and easily add in your new products or your new posts into your emails without much effort. And you can also schedule them as well, which is really cool. Now, Squirrly SEO is another one that has become very popular. It has so many different types of SEO tools that you can add to your WordPress website. It's a little bit overwhelming actually how many tools there are, but if you are trying to get better rankings, this is definitely going to give you a help, and it's just a lifetime deal of $69, which is better than paying for something like Rank Math Pro, which is going to cost you a lot more. Now coming down, we have here Ocoya. I love Ocoya. It is such an easy social media platform to use. Basically, you can schedule your content. You can also create your content inside of it. It's even got an AI copywriting tool inside of it as well to help you create captions for your posts, everything like that. And I believe just this last week, they've actually created a new dashboard for the platform. So the user experience is really cool. And coming down, the last one I probably would recommend is this one here, Vbout. This is an all-in-one marketing tool. So this includes things like landing pages, email marketing, and automation. You also have CRM, and you can also post to social media as well. And the best part about it for me is it's got a drag and drop canvas, so you can actually visualize the type of campaign you're trying to create. So that is Vbout, and I know a lot of people were disappointed when that deal ended, so perfect opportunity to jump on it again. Now there is two more I would recommend. Not everyone is going to require these. One is Bramework. I know a lot of people are raving about this particular tool. Now I haven't used it myself. I know there are a lot of lifetime deals outside of AppSumo right now for AI copywriting tools. However, 99 people so far have said this is almost 5-star, so it must be pretty good, and I know a lot of people have done product reviews on it. So if you want to try out an AI copywriting tool, then this would probably be the one to test. If not, check out my YouTube channel for more options. And finally, the last one I'm going to recommend this AppSumo Black Friday is Shopper. Now, shopper.com is not for everyone. This is more aimed at affiliates who create content. Basically, if you are a content creator either on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or whatever it might be, having a shopper.com website allows you to quickly add in your affiliate links, which is going to create cards. So if people were interested in your particular niche and content, they could come inside here and see all the products you recommend. So plenty to choose from inside of there. There's also plenty of course tools and app building tools, but those are the ones I recommend this AppSumo Black Friday. So what I'm going to do is jump behind the camera really quick. Just want to finish up with a few extra words. Okay, so that is my AppSumo Black Friday recommendations, and I've only given you 8 out of probably like 40 deals that are live. My biggest sort of advice is choose tools that you're interested in. For example, if you want to do social media posting, maybe choose a social media tool that you think is the best inside of there. Majority of the time, it's going to be the highest rated with the highest amount of reviews. And then once again, if you play around with it and you don't like it within 60 days, you can always refund and get your money back anyway. Alright guys, so that is my AppSumo Black Friday recommendations. If you agree with me, let me know down below which deals you're going to get, and if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Tell me down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But apart from that, that is my AppSumo Black Friday review. If you want to help support the channel, I've also left some links in the description. But if it's your first time on the channel, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.